Hello guys, what we have here is freshly ground pork, total of 6 pounds, and what you see in here is actually a pork skin boiled, and we also grind it. Alright, we're going to make sausage today. Okay guys, this is what we need for our sausage. So this is a chili pepper, long chili pepper. You can use boni if you want boni peppers. This is cilantro stem, kaffir leaf, lemongrass, ground white onions. You can use shallot. This is ground fresh garlic. We need fish sauce, chicken bouillon, black pepper. We need salt and sugar. Now we're gonna combine everything in this bowl. Okay guys, just like I said, the ground pork is 6 pounds and pork skin is 1 pound, so a total of 7 pounds. So we're gonna add sugar. This is 2 cups. The salt, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons. 2, 3. Black pepper, I will put 2 tablespoons. 2 heaping tablespoons. For the chicken bouillon guys, you're gonna put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. It's 7 pound total of meat and the skin. Chili pepper, 2 tablespoons. This is the long chili pepper. It's not quite hot like the boni peppers or the bouillon, or you can put less if you want. This is celery root. It's also 2 tablespoons. I mean celery stem, but if you can find celery root, that's better. So 2 tablespoons of that. It's gonna be herby, flavorful, and delicious sausage. This is kaffir leaf, ground up, also 2 tablespoons. It's gonna be aromatic. Lemongrass, let's put 3 tablespoons. This is onion. This is 1 large white onions, but if you can find a shallot, you can also put shallot, about half a cup of shallot, and garlic. More the better. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tablespoons. You cannot go wrong with garlic guys. The more the better. Okay, it's 7 pounds of ground meat anyway. The fish sauce, I'm just gonna estimate it. It's 7 pounds, so let's see. 2, 3, 4. Let's put 5 tablespoons. And we're gonna start mixing all of this guys. Smells good already. Let's mix it. The only thing hard about this sausage is actually grounding the meat. Well, you can actually just buy a ground pork. Oh, actually you can do this in chicken too. And the pork skin, I have to boil it and until it get, pork tender, and then chop it like julienne, chop it and then put it in a grinder or blender or food processor, whatever you have. So let's mix it guys. I'll be back. Okay guys, after mixing it, this is how it looks like now. So what I'm gonna do before I put it in a casing, I will let it sit for half an hour to an hour, and I'm gonna taste it. Of course, we're gonna fry it, make a patties out of it, taste it, and if the flavor is good, we're gonna put it in a casing. If it is need more adjustment, we will add whatever it's missing, guys. So far it smells really good. So I'm gonna cover it. I'll give it about, just like I said, 30 to 1 hour, and taste it, fry it, and we'll see if we need some adjustment. If not, we will put in a casing, guys. So we'll be back in a few hours, minute or hour.